want to save money on your electric bill, put less wear and tear on your air conditioner, this is the one simple thing you can do to help. Watch this video and I'll show you. Put this to the side. These aren't awful on this side, but I know they are over here. Let's see if I can get this in here. These are just ready to go. I'm going to continue to take the rest of all these hail guard panels off and be right back. Alright, I'm going to turn the water on, come back, shut down the unit, and get the cleaning. Right over here is the roof hydrant. Go ahead and turn the water on. It's on. Shut this down on the human interface. Just going to go ahead and hit the stop button. Always look at the status right away. I don't have any diagnostics. If there was an alarm, the red light would be blinking here. It's not, so I'll go ahead and hit stop, and it'll shut down shortly. A little bit quieter now, huh? Alright, this side I don't need to brush for whatever reason. I think somebody might have opened it and brushed it, and then they didn't have time to do the other side. Who knows? But that's why we do inspections and follow up on them. Alright, I usually don't use coil cleaner unless it really needs it, which is very rare, but it could happen. I like to start at the bottom, move side to side. I can get all the way to July 4th before I have to clean coils. Just depends on how the winter was, what the temperature was. That decides when the trees are going to bloom and let go their seed. Alright, I'm going to continue with this, and most likely come back when I get to that other side, when I start sweeping the coil. If you stuck around this long in the video, if you got anything out of this content, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing and share it with a friend. Alright, time to crawl in. I'm going to get that center one. Oh. There we go. Can't help it. Gotta spray the camera. That's how it goes. I got a cover on it, so shouldn't ruin it. Alright, come around the other side and get that last bank. Alright, this is time well spent. I don't want the video to get too long. Just about done washing the coils. I'll just go ahead and button the panels back up. Turn the machine back on. Actually, I'll turn the machine back on, then button up the panels. That way down in the business office, won't get too uncomfortable with this short shutdown for preventive maintenance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.